Welcome to our video. We are headed to, where? What's it called?
Chalk Ridge Falls off of Belton Lake in Central Texas.
And we're gonna do a little hiking. Should be fun. The weather is very, very nice today. Are you excited?
Yeah.
Tell them what we're doing.
We're gonna go to hike and hike on the mountain.
In a mountain? Are we going on an adventure?
We're going on a mission. We're going to cross a bridge.
And what are we gonna find?
A waterfall.
Yeah.
So that's what we're doing now. First things first, we have to get gas. This is the worst feeling in the world, pumping gas. It's coming straight out of my bank account. Just straight out. $45 later, we're finished. What do you got? Mama's eating healthy.
I don't know.
Yeah. No,
Red's
she's
eating
not.
unhealthy.
I'm eating healthy.
Oh, that's healthy?
I'm eating a lot healthy because I'm eating food.
Oh, okay. And now we are ready. Are you excited?
Yep.
We're not going home.
Get a little workout in?
Fired up.
We're not going home, Mama.
Nope.
We're gonna go on a hike.
Yeah. How far is it, do you know?
20,000 a million.
I say we just don't put it in our GPS and we just drive.
Oh yeah?
We just get.
And we're here.
Look at that drill. You ready? We're here. You want to go see a waterfall?
Got my little minion on me.
A million?
You're a little minion.
Mm-mm.
Yes, you are.
Mm-mm.
You're gonna be up there the whole time? Huh?
Mm-mm.
No? You gonna walk?
Mm-mm.
Here's the starting line. I'm already tired. Raylan, are you tired?
Never.
Never. So we started. Went across the bridge. Raylan falls down. Tumbles down a hill. Just tumbles. Oh, these steps are really steep. Jesus.
Oh wow, this is a big one.
Yo!
I think it's all.
Texas water.
Hey, look, there's green grass.
Brandon, turn
But this is just the beginning.
Okay.
Come on. Said I ain't scared of no steps.
Oh, I am a little bit scared. Wow. These
Oh.
hurt. Hurting my glutes. This is the workout I was wanting. Let's go. What's next?
Oh, tired.
Stop.
Can we leave?
Shut up.
There's rocks out here.
I'm not in shape for this. I'd say I'm in decent shape, but
If there's
I'm
really
already
soft,
tired.
then I might really suffer.
Raylan seems to be doing fine.
Huh? I hope we'll see some fishies.
Some fishies? Maybe. We might see a bear. All right, which path do we take?
This one.
This one?
Daddy,
Nope, that arrow says we have to go left. Yep, so we're going this way.
Red.
More steps.
no, don't feed me.
I don't know how much longer I can handle this.
Got it? Be careful.
I don't want you to beat me.
Okay, I won't beat you.
You excited?
Come here, Mama.
Is that it?
Oh, there's the waterfall. That's the waterfall we were waiting for. What the heck?
Is that something?
Ellen, no, don't jump. Don't jump.
I'm not jumping.
Come on.
How you doing?
Good.
You tired yet?
No.
You going left?
I don't know.
We're going this way?
Yeah, Mama, we're going this way.
Uh-oh. Oh, God. Oh.
Hold on tight. Or be careful.
Here, hold me. Look, Raylan.
Okay, stay right here. Guys, Vicky. Perfect. Okay.
Pretty, huh?
We're
Really
swimming.
deep. Be careful. Whoa. Raylan, what are you doing? Girls ain't scared of nothing. Could do anything. Look at all these little spiders, Raylan. What are they?
They look like spiders.
We're gonna have to get out for a little bit and dry off before we put our socks and shoes on.
She didn't even care. She just went right into it. Here. She's going back in.
You see that bubble farm?
What?
Did you hear that bubble farm?
The bubble farted. Nah. We'll keep walking around. See what we can find in this lovely place. It's actually my very first waterfall, if you want to call it, that I've ever seen. So it's pretty cool. So I heard there was a volcano here, so we're gonna go check that out. So far we've gotten a dog fight on camera. We've got a waterfall.
No, I mean the walking fish.
There's walking fishes, fish that walk.
Saw it at school and I was outside.
Oh.
And it flew with his wings.
Oh wow. A fish that walks on land and it has wings that can fly too.
Thank you.
I think Mama's leading us in a wrong direction.
I'm following the arrow.
We've been walking for like, what, 2 hours? I don't know if I trust a woman with directions. Now Daddy's leading the way.
Alright. That way if she falls on you.
No.
Baby, stand behind Daddy. That way if you fall into him, okay?
Better back off, boyfriend.
No, come back.
Oh, there it is. There's the waterfall we did before.
Oh, Raylan. Hey, Raylan, you want to go down here? Oh, look at her go. Look at her go. Oh, look at her go. She's got to get them gains. No. Just go on without me. Such a long walk. Kids these days, man, just think they can run around, do what they want, you know? It's not the case in this household. I laid a law down. This kid's gonna listen to me.
Established 1994. Hashtag savage.
Yeah,
Real savage.
he's a savage for writing on that piece of wood.
Isn't nature neat? It really is. Funny.
Never seen it.
Daddy, what do you think about those flowers? Do you think they're poisonous?
Are they poisonous? I don't know. Y'all tell me. Are these flowers poisonous? can't even see it.
Thank you.
Rather than
Okay.
saved you.
Thank you.
Some fisherman just tried to catch my wife. Threw his line around her shoe. Really gave me a flower. So nice. So sweet.
I'll go this way.
I don't know.
This way?
Yeah.
You mean this way?
Yep.
I'll be careful on these steps.
Be careful not to touch any plants, okay?
Because if that poison ivy, I might get stung.
Poison ivy?
Okay.
Did all of that. Just poison ivy.
Definitely feel like they should have signs up.
Okay, hold on, Ray. I want to go through that way. We'll have to come through. We'll have to climb through.
Alright. Whoa!
The lady said that she's a lab, but I was like, no.
No, her hair. She wasn't as fluffy as this.
Yeah, she's
We
really
got her when
fluffy.
she was 10 weeks old. She was still kind of fluffy, but not like that.
What the heck? What the heck? You taking souvenirs? So our adventure here has come to an end.
Wow, and I'm legit sweating.
Yeah, it's really hot. Did you have fun?
A blast.
What's your favorite
from
part?
The past. The waterfall.
Yeah, that was pretty cool. Raylan, what was your favorite part?
The waterfall.
The waterfall?
The
Yeah.
big one, not the little one.
I think that was all that was really there. There was no volcano. We didn't find the volcano. Either that or Tana lied to me and said there was a volcano. There wasn't. Just to get me out here. But I'm gonna go get something to eat now. If you ever come to Texas, you have to try this place. It's called Gazoo's. It's pretty cool. It's really cool place.
All right, guys, we're back home. Had a long day. We're probably about to crash.
This is my video, not yours. We're back home, guys. Thanks for watching the video. Thanks for keeping up with us. We had a lot of fun making it. We had a lot of fun today. If you want to see more, like, subscribe, and we love you guys.
Slim Shady.
Take care.
Bye, guys.